How's it, guys? So I've decided to start something new with my YouTube channel. I'm going to be more like speaking to you guys on what I do, share some of my moments in my life. It's not something I'm really good at the moment, as I'm a very shy person to be in front of the camera. Um, but I guess it's something that I need to practice if I want to do this in my life. So I might not be the best at it, but I guess with practice I could become a little bit better. So yeah, this is kind of something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, but just haven't had the motivation or courage to do it, as I've had a few, how can I say, negative comments about how I am in front of the camera. But I guess there's only one way to get over that, is by just doing it and not listening to whoever tells me that. So basically what I'm going to do is just try to be more interactive with you guys, and not just make videos of what I see. I'm going to speak about it more, and just talk to you about what I'm doing and what's happening and where I'm going and why I'm there, type of thing. So now I'm just gonna shoot some B-roll footage of where I am at the moment, like this location. I'm currently on top of a sand dune in front of a little surf spot. Not really waves today, but I'm gonna head to town. So yeah, enjoy the B-roll. So guys, some people, especially Americans, think that zebras and lions and all that stuff roam the streets and stuff like that. It's kind of a weird thing to think about, but yeah, that's what they think. But some places it kind of feels like that, like where I am right now, just driving my car, and some people pay thousands of rands just to see the animals that I'm sitting and staring at right now. It's quite weird, but yeah, check it out. So yeah, this is from my car. As you can see, there's a zebra there, there's another one there, there's a few buck around the back. But this is all from my car, driving along a road. It's pretty rad. I just got to Nahoon Reef. I'm going to go for a surf now. You just get dressed quickly and then you can see some of the waves.
just gonna set up my drone quick. I had a surf, went really good. I'm just gonna fly my drone, get some shots. It's such a beautiful day. So yeah, check these shots from the drone. So basically I'm gonna try upload videos more than what I am, and not like on specific things, more just like a few days and then I'll post a video like of what I've been doing type of thing, and not just when I go travel to like Transcar or something. So I'll still upload those videos, but I want to like try to do this type of vibe, but yeah, hope it kind of works.